Do you have an intention to contest any seat in Nyandarua County?
So far, no.
So far. You have... Is the DJ is called who?
Fatso.
Fatso.
Yes,
Is he having any political interest?
to the best of my knowledge, I have no idea.
You have no idea.
Yes,
So, it is your evidence that there is no competition politically between you and DJ Fatso.
not at all, Your Honor.
Number two, the DJ, do you know, what's the difference between a DJ and a musician for the benefit of the court?
One DJ Fatso, it's a DJ name, but he's a performing artist also.
He's